Hi guys, welcome to my channel Lush Gardener. I hope you guys are fine and are safe. So unfortunately there was a crazy storm right now. It started to rain and it was really windy plus rains, and I had a small mishap in my garden once again. And because of this, unfortunately my entire tray of Graptoserum ghosty toppled up and it fell. The wind was so strong that a lot of my pots started to topple, but these were plastic containers, so they were slightly light, so it completely toppled up and all the soil happened to come up, whereas the ones that I had in the concrete pots were much more stable because they are quite heavy, so they did survive, you can see. But my Graptoserum ghosty is completely toppled up, so I quickly went ahead and collected all the pups. You can see the pups are pretty healthy, but most of them have broken up. So unfortunately this was a very bad situation that happened. Now luckily these are still okay, they are not much damaged. The roots are fine, but they have all got dislocated from their mother leaf, but I'm sure they will do quite well. So they have grown so well, so I think most probably they will do quite well. I will dry them up and I'll put them in their different pot. So thankfully there is not much damage. Yes, they all have got separated from their mother leaf because it toppled up, but luckily the leaves have not broken up. So I'm just letting them over here for some time to dry because there is a little bit of water on them. So I'll let them dry and I'm just going to keep them aside. There's a good amount of air circulation, so probably they will get dried up of soon. But unfortunately it was doing quite well. You've seen how well it was growing. I was documenting everything and it was doing extremely well, but unfortunately the entire tray happened to topple. Can't do much about it because it was all sunny afternoon, and then all of a sudden within just a couple of minutes the weather completely changed and it got so cloudy, and within few seconds there was such a strong wind along with the rain that I couldn't actually save them. It was kept beneath the table. I was aware that it might rain, but I didn't know that it's going to be so windy. But any which ways, I have kept them aside. Hopefully they will recover. They are not in a very bad state, but yes, they're slightly wet, so I have kept them to dry. So I hope everything goes well. So all I can do is just hope for them to dry. Now once they're dry, I will then go ahead and add them in another pot.